goal of this activity is to really loosen up the hips. It's a great move if you have a limited straight leg raise or you're someone who's got more of a swayback posture. Here's what you're going to do. Get a wall, put your hands up against the wall. Hands are going to be at about chest height. And what you want to do is you want to soften the knees. You're going to look straight ahead, get a nice exhale. And from here, keeping the knees bent without locking them out, you're going to push the hips back, and you can use the wall to assist you. And if you got to make an adjustment to where you're at, so you can get a good push without, again, locking the knees, you can do that. Get it right. You'll feel a little stretch in the back of the hips. If you don't, that's cool. Eyes are going to stay just looking not all the way up, but just drift up ahead. Hold position. Breathe. Keep pushing. Keep the knees bent. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.